You can see this very long piece of rail here, just in this gap here, without knocking the rocket off. Hello, a few days ago I put up this new shelf along here to accommodate some more of my locos here. I've got to put a few more locos, well, another loco and some more carriage along this bit, and I've got to put another loco and rolling stock along here. But as you can see, if I lift the camera up, there's a gap here, so I've got to put, I've been to WD Models and bought some more. You can see this very long piece of rail here. I've got to put just in this gap here without knocking the rocket off. Like so. Now all I've got to do is put the rolling stock on and the locos. As you can see, I've now put that extra piece of track in, this one here. Now to put the locos in. There you go, I had to rejig things about to make them fit, and that looks a little bit busy and crowded. Different areas of locos, like for example you've got the rocket right next to the GB Rail Freight, Thomas More, class 66 I think it was. Got an LNER next to a GWR. Got an In-City in the background there. You've got a steampunk loco with a steampunk carriage and a steampunk wagon. Well, let's go upstairs and do my little shelf. That's my little shelf upstairs. All I've got to do now is to take the locos off and have all this 4 pieces of track I've got here. Ready, steady, go. One down, ready to go. Right, that's all 4 of them, track, and they're all sitting on the track. I don't know how well you can be seeing this. But they're now all sitting on the track to make it look like more real rather than just sitting on the shelf. Well, thank you for watching my little shelf video. Please like and subscribe about passing by, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, thank you, bye.